So this is Mr. Ayaz, and he's been associated with VNU Creations since a month. So from today we are making all designs. He has worked in Dubai. He is very good with Indian traditional wear, simultaneously Western outfits as well. So I'm gonna design different styles of dresses, which includes casual dressing and business casuals, which is rarely found other than branded showrooms. So we're gonna make lots of casual and semi-casual jackets and suits, A-line skirts, which is very good for women who are professional and who's been working in software industry since a long time, but they don't have appropriate dress to wear on our proper business meetings. Not only that, we're going to make different Western outfits simultaneously, Indian versions of professional outfits. So it's going to help me in cutting and creating this amazing pieces. So from today we're gonna make 2 videos every week, such that you can follow from the construction to the final product. So welcome to our VNU Fashions of Stitching episodes. So first we start at taking the length from the shoulder, and then we will measure the shoulders. Mine is 15 inches, and we take 3 different levels of the chest: above chest, around the chest, actually we take below the chest as well, which we're going to show you in the next video. So right now we are taking the waist and the hands. I was telling him I don't want longer hands, but if I want longer hands, he's showing you that I can take till 22 for full hands. And we need to measure the elbow length as well for the longer hands, and if it is 3/4, we need to take the overall length of the hand and the armhole as well. So these are the extra detailing that we take at VNU Creations, because we really want to give you the body fit. So these are very important. If any of you are sending your measurements, make sure you have a tape and do the measurements exactly the way we are showing it here.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अयाज है। मैं इस लाइन में 20 ईयर्स हो गया, और ऑल अनारकली सूट्स और नॉर्मल सूट्स, प्रिंसेस कट ब्लाउज, ये हम लोग बनाते हैं। और इस लाइन में तो मैं 5 ईयर दुबई में काम किया। गवन्स, वेडिंग ड्रेस और वेस्टर्न, ऑल वेस्टर्न सूट्स, टॉप्स, शर्ट्स, पैंट, स्कर्ट, ये पूरा जैकेट्स, ये हमारे पास बनता है।